Hey everyone, Amber here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to day one of my 12 Days of Craftmas series here on YouTube. I am super excited to finally be sharing this series with you guys. I have wanted to do a series like this for the past 2 years, but unfortunately the timing just wasn't right and I had other things going on, so I was never able to really plan that out. But this year it seems like things are finally falling into place, and I have some super fun, super cute projects to share with you guys. So I did ask on my Instagram whether you guys would like to see crafts that were more Happy Mail oriented or other holiday DIYs, and the majority of you guys said that you would like to see Happy Mail crafts, which doesn't really surprise me because that is what my channel and my Instagram are based on. That's what I started out with in my crafting journey. So most of the crafts you will see during the next 12 videos, including this one, will be Happy Mail centered, although I do have a few other holiday DIYs mixed in, just in case Happy Mail isn't really your thing. So let's go ahead and get started with the first video, which is going to be some super cute Clipboard Happy Mail. So I've made this before on my channel, and ever since I did, I wanted to make it for Christmas. I've just been counting down the days to where I could craft one for the holiday season. So the clipboard that I'm using is from Joann's. It's the same one I used in my previous Clipboard Happy Mail video. It measures 7 inches by 4.5 and it's by Tim Holtz. They are, I think, $3.99 a piece, or for 2 of them. So that is the clipboard I'm using, and I already covered the front and the back with this super cute paper, which is by Simple Stories, and this is the whole little collection that I'm going to be using for this project and possibly a few others throughout the 12 Days of Craftmas series. So it is called Freezin' Season, again by Simple Stories, and I just picked this kit up from scrapbook.com when I did some of my holiday craft supply shopping, and it came with washi and the stickers and ephemera and the paper, so perfect. Just came with everything I would need. So that is what I'm using, and I have my clipboard here ready to go, and I have some of the ephemera and chipboard pieces here, as well as some little random wood pieces from my stash to work with. I also picked up, this didn't come in the kit, but they had some stickers to go with the kit for sale on their own, and I picked up that pack. So I think I'm going to use these to decorate some goodie bags. And then off to this side, I have all the goodies that I want to include in this Happy Mail. So let's go ahead and get started. So to start off, this is a little cut apart from the paper collection, and it says all I need is hot cocoa and fuzzy socks, which is totally me during the winter time. I love hot cocoa. I start drinking it during the fall season, and I love fuzzy socks because I get so cold, even though I'm in California where it doesn't really get that cold. To decorate this up a bit, I just sewed in a cute little zigzag stitch on all 4 sides just to kind of give it a bit more detail. And the first thing I'm going to do is stick this down with some 1/4 inch double-sided tape from Joann's. Alright, and I'm just going to stick that in the center of the clipboard. So I really like this style of mail just because once your pen pal or your friend gets it, they can take all the goodies out, and then they have a nice little functioning clipboard that they can then use for whatever they need it for. I'm kind of imagining that the recipient of this can use it to kind of plan out their holiday this year. I think that would be really fun. So now that I have this down, I'm going to start decorating it, and then I will move on to the goodie bags. Alright, so I've got pretty much the base done. I'm just going to add some little yellow gemstones to kind of pull out some of the yellows that are in the paper. I pretty much covered them up on the front, but you can see a little bit here, so kind of just use some of these little gems to kind of tie that all together. Alright, so I think that this is going to be the completed basis for now. And I'm going to move this aside and start working on some of the little goodie bags. Alright, so the first little goodie bag is full of some of these teeny tiny little cut apart pieces that came in the paper collection. I just cut 5 or 6 of them out. And I'm just going to put them in this little clear bag and then add a little topper with some of that double-sided tape. So to make the topper, I just took a piece of paper that was the same width as the bag, and then I cut it down to 2 inches the other way so that when I folded it over, there would be an inch on either side of the bag. So now that I have that double-sided tape on, I'm just going to line it up and then secure it down. I also made some little flare pieces using a 1-inch circle punch as well as some 1-inch epoxy stickers that I found on Amazon. So I just punched out some of those little circle shapes that were left over from the piece of paper that I used, and then I added those epoxy stickers on top. So I'm just putting them in this 3x4 clear bag. Alright, and then to kind of decorate this up a bit, I have this little piece of snowflake paper that I just cut down to the width of the bag. And I'm just going to add some double-sided tape to the back of that. And then I'm just going to stick that down. Alright, and the next goodie bag, I used a cut apart from the paper pad that is 3x4. And then I have these little wood veneer character pieces that I picked up at Michael's on clearance last year. So I'm just sharing 2 of each of those with this recipient of this mail. So I'm just going to close up this bag. And I didn't want to cover up this little banner piece on the cut apart that says "So much fun." So instead of just doing what I did on this little goodie bag, which was just place a strip right here and not a whole little closure piece, I'm just going to take this little scrap paper that measures about 1.5 inches and then fold that in half, so I just have this teeny tiny little topper. And that way when I place it down over it, it'll act as a little closure, but then at the same time it won't cover up that cute little banner. Alright, and then for the last little goodie bags, I picked up some of these little gold, glitter die cut shapes from Tuesday Morning, and then I used a punch and some gold glitter paper to punch out some stars. So I'm just going to add a little topper to all of these, and then I'm going to punch a hole in each bag and tie it all together with some gold and white twine. Alright, so there is that little goodie bag completed. So now I'm going to just decorate each little goodie bag by adding some little pins or paper clips or stickers to them, just to kind of make them match the clipboard more and to make them more fun and cute as well. Alright, so these are the little goodie bags all finished up. So along with these little goodie bags, I also am including some little sticker sheets. This is one that has cute little Christmas sayings. This one says fa la 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 la, ha ha no. So that would be perfect for when things just aren't going how they're supposed to go. So this one says I've been good-ish. So just super cute stickers that I wanted to share because the pack I bought came with like 6 sheets or so I thought that'd be a nice little goodie. I'm also including this little sticker sheet of little tags that say Merry Christmas. It's like writing on chalkboard, so those are super cute. And then I'm including some tags from my stash as well. I can't really tell you where these tags are from because I've been kind of collecting them the past couple of years. I do know that these 2 are from Target though, and these 2 I'm not quite sure. But I thought these match the collection nicely. We have a little ornament. This one is super cute with the snowman. This one says ho ho ho, and then a little Christmas tree. So I'm just going to clip all of these together. I'm actually going to use this little snowflake clip. And then I'll put this little clip here to hold all these bags in place. Alright, so now it's time to just do the best job we can to get all these goodies in the clipboard. So sometimes this takes some rearranging, but once they're all in, it looks super cute. I'm also going to include this little tassel here somewhere. I think I'm going to clip it on with this white glitter clothespin. So we'll see where we can put that later. Alright you guys, so here is the final project. To decorate this little clip up a bit, I added a little wood veneer heart, a blue heart sticker from the collection, and then a little sticker that says Hello Winter, which is also from the collection as well. And yeah, I just think that it's so fun and it just looks so festive, and I love clipboard mail because you can actually see all the goodies. They're right there for you to see, but they're also kind of covered up because it's so bulky, and I just think it would be such a fun thing to open during the holiday season. So you can totally put a little sticker on the back that says made by, and then add your name. And yeah, I think that this is such a fun little thing to give to a friend or a pen pal any time of year, but especially during the holidays. So thank you guys so much for joining me for day 1 of my 12 Days of Craftmas series. I hope that you join me for day 2, which will be making a handmade ornament. So I hope to see you for that video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and I will get back to you. Also, if you are new here, feel free to subscribe for more crafty videos like this, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a like as well, just for more crafty videos like it. Alright you guys, take care and happy crafting. Bye!